let's go back and play that one more time. We had our first progression, 2 bars of C, and then a bar of F, and a bar of G. Now I'm going to change it to what we finished with. 2, 3, E minor, A minor, D minor instead of the F chord. Now the G chord, moving to the B diminished, and then the C. And it's like night and day. But those 2 progressions are fundamentally the same. One has different window dressing, right? So what we've done is we've gone in and gussied it up. We've made it fancier. And we used our chord families to do that, right? So this is entirely our families. The tonic family, the subdominant family, and the dominant family.